Is Bitcoin heading to 100K? Are we in our way to the moon? Do you want to know the most important pieces of news in the crypto space? Then smash that like button, because it's time to crypto news, fun on the ride, health, money, peace party, salud, dinero, love, Criptoutopía. Dear friends, this is Rodrigo Banderas, your host with the most here in Crypto News. We're going to talk about some information in the crypto space you want to know for sure. For example, we are heading to the end of the week and we wonder if it's going to be a red week or it's going to be a green one. We weren't able to go up from this line. That's not a good thing. We have this cross. That's a death cross. That's not a good thing. We had 9 weeks in red. It's this one going to be green after the first green one, after those 9 red ones? We'll see. The thing is, we have the weekend pattern. This is something we invented in FunOntheRide, so don't make just forget about it, because it's a nonsense. But you can see last weekends here, 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 and here. And Saturday and Sunday, we go up. And then the rest of the week, we go down, up, down, up, down, up, down. And Thursday, Friday is the worst day. So it's going to be the same again. Are we going to repeat the pattern? Are we going to go up Saturday and Sunday, and then the rest of the week we will go down? We have a gap in the CME futures in 28,000. So we have to go down to fill this in sometime. Maybe not, but 90% of the times, this is something that happens. So if you think we're going up, just a reminder that we still have that gap. Also, Bitcoin being boring, it's a 30,000 up and down all the time. It's not good that we went up just to this line, because now we can find this as a resistance and go down. We'll see. We want Bitcoin to do things like CryptoLark told us, but what do you want it to do? You don't want it to go down, right? We want it to go to the moon, as people here with this tree that represents Bitcoin. Come on, just help me. I can't alone, but with my friends, we can go to the moon. Come on, everybody now, and don't leave me. Don't leave me. Whoa! What happened to our friend Bitcoin? It went up and then it went down. We think about last 2 years and think about it. That was 8th of June last year, and from that point we went up, but not in 2020, where we went up till the 11th and then we went down. What will happen? If you want to know more things about the analysis of the charts, then watch the last video. You have it in the channel. We talk about the relief. Are we going up to those lines as we did in the past and then down again? Are we going to buy in 22,000 because of the easiest strategy for trading? We commented in that video. That's not advice of buying or anything or trading. Are we going to go up from Monday because we have the 3-day chart and the death cross, and the last 2 occasions in the 23 to 27 days we went up? Is this going to happen again? We'll see. Or are we going to zero, as the poop head is telling us? Because we have this head shoulder that is telling us Bitcoin can go to zero. Also, as Platitude told us, we have these bear patterns, these bear flags that are telling us that we can go really, really low, like 12,000, maybe to the gap of 9,600 we always talk about. But some opium for the weekend. Are we still in our way to 250 for Bitcoin in June of 23rd of 23? Why is this possible? Because of this fractal. And if we zoom in, you can see that it's possible. We're still in the path, like in the Wizard of Oz. We have to follow it. And we talk about 100K for Bitcoin in the beginning of this video, and that's because Bit Harrington things that life should be simpler, very simple things in life, like for example this chart where we can see that Bitcoin goes at 2x every year. So we were in a bubble maybe, but now we're back in track. This model will be like nonsense in the future, but right now we are respecting it, and it will put Bitcoin in the 100K for 2025. You sign it or not, you like this idea, you don't, please comment in the description section of this video. Thank you very much. Yassin El Madra says, 2 years ago, when Bitcoin was trading under 4,000, no one would have believed. You had to tell them Bitcoin would be in a bear market in 2 years trading at 30,000. So in the future, maybe we will be crashing to 300,000. It's possible. It sounded madness in the past, but who knows for the future. We will follow certainly the financial traditional markets. And we have here Asia, it's going up. United States went down yesterday, and Bitcoin in the middle doing the same as the stock markets. We don't want that, but that's what we have. Next week, we're paying attention to the Fed meeting, and also today, Friday, maybe we know more about inflation. If we had like a good numbers, that would be good for Bitcoin and everything, and if not, the opposite. And also next week, be careful, because we have this allegedly person that knows things about YouTubers, scandals, etc., and it will be released on the 15th. But everybody's telling us, reminder, do not click links, because it might be a virus and stole your crypto. We will tell you everything in crypto news FunOntheRide, so you don't have to do anything, just wait. Jamaica becomes first country to make CBDC legal tender. Congratulations. There are other countries in the way, but Jamaica is the official first now. Lithuania aims to tighten crypto regulation and ban anonymous accounts. The opposite to Jamaica, or maybe not. The thing is, they want to like create licenses you will need from 1st of January next year. It will be more difficult in Lithuania. But think about this, 90% of US businesses accepting crypto see revenue grow. So we have this data, and they were asked, and they think that it's a good thing, like many years ago with the internet. Why do I need internet? No so many businesses had internet at that time, and it seemed nonsense, but in the future it became very important. So it's the same with blockchain technology and crypto and all this security layer. That's how we explain what crypto world is, a security layer on top of the internet and the digital relationships we have within each other. So they believe it's a good thing. They feel you as someone that it's in the top of the modern and new technologies and stuff, and it's good even for your brand. Thank you, community that share content. For example, the Postman, he told me about this documentary. It's in Spanish. If you want to practice, then I give you the link in the description. Also, you have it in YouTube, and I prefer that because you can go to YouTube. You can do that in this web page, but you can go to YouTube and click, and then you can like change the speed into 2x, because we believe life is too short to live in it in 1x. How's the market feeling? We are in extreme fear, 13. We have red in the market, and with the balls, don't touch my balls, we have red all over, and we have a 45.7% up for Osmo. That's crazy for me. I don't understand it. I don't get it, because Osmosis DEX on Cosmos exploited for $5 million as validators hold the network. Bad news, we had this exploit. We had to stop the network, and besides that, Osmo is up 45%. I think it might be a mistake, I'm not sure, but in CoinGecko we find that the up is just like 6%, and here is not even in the 101st. So we will check that out. Also, the best today, Polygon, Helium, Terra, Chainlink, VeChain, we will talk about that. And the worst for Cardano, even though we have good news. Something to consider: over 3,500 new cryptocurrencies emerged in 2022 despite the sloppy markets. If you use dextools.io, you have that video that you can check. Then you will see that it's more than that. Maybe it's 1,000 new crypto projects a day, even though here it says that in the main ranking pages it's just like 22 per day, but there are many, many more. Most of them scams and projects that would fail, so be careful. In South Korea, the major crypto exchanges are delisting Litecoin. That's not a good thing because of Wimble, because of the anonymity. We have Upbit, Bitham, Coinon, Corbit, GoPax that they are delisting Litecoin. That's not a very good thing for this cryptocurrency. It used to be the second. It's like the Kusama of Polkadot for Bitcoin is, like this proof field, and we don't know if it still has sense for this crypto to exist. What do you think? What do you believe? Please comment about it, and so we learn all together. And maybe you think it's a good opportunity to buy Bitcoin or not. Maybe we go to $22. It will coincide with these two moments in the past, or do you think it's going to go like to zero in the future? SHIB is losing holders, 20,000 in just 1 week. So again, think about this. Maybe you bought some SHIB, it went up 16,000%, and then it went down like 90%. So people are really, really happy if they sold here, happier, but then really sad because it went south, like really, really, really south. What about Terra, Luna Classic, still seeing zero, and it's not good for Luna 2.0 either. It's going down. What do you think about this? Do you know the founder now has problems with the SEC in United States related with Mirror Protocol and the ICO of those synthetics project? And also now we have this piece of news. Maybe it's a fake news, I don't know, but allegedly Terra employees are confirmed that do you know cashed out $8 million a month prior to the Luna fiasco. So it's not like the Titanic where the captain goes down with the music and everything, the last one, but he cashed out money knowing that it was going to go down, allegedly. Also, well, now we know that someone advised, do you know, about the percentage they had in the Anchor protocol, which is 20%. That's a lot. That's nonsense. And they told them to put like 3.6%, but they didn't do that. They went for the 20% because we want like all those huge earnings doing nothing. And then the fiasco came. So that's why we prefer our friends that collaborate, our partners, BlockFi, that they will not give you such rates. The interest rates are much lower and they change depending on the conditions in the market. But we believe that's a very, very good thing because it's more sustainable and not the crazy things you hear here and there. Anyways, this is not an investment advice. Also, remember you can borrow money at rates as low as 4.5 in this application. Maybe if you believe we're not going very south with Bitcoin chart, then maybe it's a very good moment to have one of those because the margin call can be very low now, or maybe not. So be careful. Never ask for some money that you can pay back, or money that you can afford to lose. BlockFi is now in consensus. Thank you very much for the reminder there. We will tell all the news of our partners that come from there. We have news about Binance. Remember, last crypto news, we had very, very bad news about Binance. Don't miss that out. And now they have an improvement for their chain, and they have this referral program contest. So I give you the link in the description in case you want to collaborate or participate in this challenge. Maybe a lot of good news, you know, in order to have bad news for Binance, but also good news. And talking about referral programs, we have this new referral program for Yield app. Pew! We have a video about it, why we like this app, and how is one of those money machines we're trying to put into work. And now, well, you can have your referral program, you can invite your friends and earn some money. There's also a competition, and if you are one of the best, then you will win even more. You have the link in the description, and you will be like helping us indirectly. Thank you very much. What about Optimism? The token is going down, or it was enough? We have bad news. It is that we have also a hacker there exploiting it. An unknown attacker managed to steal 20 million OP tokens, which were incorrectly sent to a layer 1 ETH wallet instead of a layer 2 Optimism address. Now they are asking him to give the money back, so they will consider him a white hat hacker, and they will give him a reward. He has, or she has, like 1 week to respond affirmatively or not. Also, the attackers sent 1 million OP tokens to Vitalik Buterin's wallet. That wallet should be filled with trash, Shiba and all the meme coins, and now it has a lot of OP tokens. Good for Vitalik. Thank you very much for all the riders that are giving, the 3 of them that are giving me away some OP tokens because I missed the airdrop. Thank you very much. That's my address. What about ApeCoin? It's not going away from Ethereum. The community voted and they're going to stay there. Here's the chart. It's going south. Also ApeCoin. Good news for VeChain. It inks a $100 million marketing deal with the sports franchise UFC. That's good. Why? Because those are in 900 million TV households in 175 countries. They can all watch those fights, and then they will have the marketing, the brands in the crypto space. So that's good for adoption. What about the chart? Maybe one day we will have the money we spend in this project and not the losses we're having right now. What about Tether USDT? The stablecoin is launching now in Tezos. There are a lot of chains where you can find it, and it's not very good to know for me that the most used are for Ethereum. That's okay, but also Tron is the second one more used for the stablecoin USDT. We are all concerned about stablecoins in these days. What about the Ethereum chart? Well, we're still waiting. Maybe we will go to that point. We commented that last video. We are like Bitcoin, like trying to go up, but it's still boring these days. And it's interesting, this Matthew Highline chart, because you know Bitcoin and Ethereum are like going in 2 different ways. One, it will mean we will go up, and one we will go down, and we wonder which direction the market will choose. What do you think? The Ethereum fees fall to $1. It's a very, very good moment to do your homework. Maybe you want to use Optimism Arbitrum, you want to move your NFTs, you want to move some RC20 tokens from here to there. Then you can do that really cheap now. It will be more expensive in the future, so consider that. Also, Bitcoin transactions fees are at 3-year lows. Good thing, bad thing. What do you think about it? Ethereum is adding 500,000 new addresses per week, despite the bear market. And also, we are happy because we have the Robson testnet merger. It was a success, and we have like 3 more to go in order to have the Ethereum 2.0. But right now, everything's going okay. Everything's going okay for Cardano. That is the most held crypto in a bear market, according to a survey. And we are validating 32 blocks already. So if you have some ADA and you want to put it in the Cardano on the right, we will appreciate your help. Thank you very much. We have $49 billion in DeFi, and we have good news. For example, MasterCard dives deeper into NFTs. It means that it's partnering with the Sandbox and similar marketplaces, so you can buy NFTs with the card really easy. Stranger Things are also into NFTs. Some part of the community liked the idea. They have now a poster NFT about 11, and this week you can like win the next poster, the next NFT. But I don't know, some people believe it's a very good thing because it means Bitcoin, blockchain, NFTs are trending, and even Stranger Things, which is trendy topic all over the world, is getting into NFTs. That's a good thing for adoption and everything. But some other believe that this is almost a scam, that is not good for the project, that, you know, they should not talk about this kind of things for this show. But anyways, adoption is coming, and we are watching the development of this technology and the tools that we now have for music and for art. Now, for example, in New York, you can have your art in this gallery and like manage it from wherever you are in the world, so that you can be recognized in the future. And also, if you are an artist, then you can earn some money working like independently. So that's good things. Which are the countries more interested in NFTs? We have here this ranking. You can see Philippines, Thailand, Malaysia are the top 3. Peru, it will be in the middle of this ranking, and it's strange, of course, Spain, we're not here, but United States and United Kingdom are not on top, as you might think. Alibaba Cloud launches services to build NFT marketplaces, so more development for the ecosystem. And as we talk about the metaverse and NFTs, we can't avoid but talking about our partners over the reality. They have this new app release where you can play with your creations. You have like those Pokemons now, they can fight, etc. And if you want to win some tokens, you can do it. They have this campaign, and you have the link in the description if you want to know how to participate. We are happy with our partner Satani because now you have so many other exchanges you can use in that application. You can download it, it's free, and then you can do your trading from just this app, so you don't have to like log in all of those. So that's one of the advantages of that application that I recommend. It's free. You have the link in the description. And also they have this draw, this contests and trading competition. I give you the link and you can participate if you want. What about unstoppable domains? Again, we talked about the badges the other day, like those 4 apps where they register if you have been here and there, or achievements, goals you managed to conquer. And now you have here also a draw. If you want to participate, you have to put your badges in the top of your Twitter account like this, and you can win some money and tokens. And also about the unstoppable domains, today Friday, I can't talk about it yet, but they are going to release a huge piece of news. So I will follow FunOntheRide Twitter account or Unstoppable Domains Twitter account in order to be the first knowing it. And we will talk about it on Monday's show. Also, we have the 3 winners of the pro version for coin tracking, which is the tool we consider the best in order to follow your tax responsibilities. In Spain, it's June. The last day is the last opportunity. You have link in the description. It's a 10% discount if you need one of the paid versions. If not, it's free if you don't have that many movements. Naval says you're going to die one day, and none of this, again, let's start again. Naval says, you're going to die one day and none of this is going to matter. So enjoy yourself. Do something positive. Project some love. Make someone happy. Laugh a little bit. Appreciate the moment and do your work. So don't be obsessed just with the money. Think about these wisdom words and think about Mickey. He says some childhood pleasures have no explanation. We have to still enjoy things in life as if we were childs, and do not laugh about the dogs because they crash mirrors, because karma is very, very dangerous, and in the future it can come back like a boomerang.
Tenny?
Ooh. Sorry for that. We have dogs and we... One second. Again. We have dogs and we have cats. 1, 2, 3. Oh my god, this dog just pooped a little cat. No, I'm a dog. I want to be a dog. Oh, you have to eat a lot if you want to become as smart as I am. I will, because I watch FunOntheRide. Hey, get away. What about this one? He wants his lobstick. No, ¿cómo se dice eso? Chupachus. He wants his lollipop and managed to get it because it's very smart cat. Dear friends, we are now creating these videos in Spanish, which is my main language, as you can tell, and also in English for the rest of the world that maybe consider this information is useful somehow. So if you want to help us, you can watch the video in Spanish, you can watch it in English. You have two channels now. You have FunOntheRide, which is the Spanish version, and you have FunOntheRide Crypto, which will be the English version. Follow, please, both of those channels, and you can practice your Spanish as you learn stuff about the crypto world. So we don't have time for anything else today, but we are researching a lot of content that we will join together. We're here in Crypto News, FunOntheRide, health, money, love, peace partying, and Criptoutopía. Adios!